In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to your Trello boards. Custom fields let you capture information that isn't part of a standard Trello card, like checkboxes for time of day, drop-downs for priorities, or text for reference numbers. I'll walk you through opening your board, removing an old field you don't need, creating two new checkbox fields called morning and afternoon, and then showing how they appear on your cards and on the board. Start on the Trello homepage. Once you're signed in, head to your board's view. Pick the board you want to customize. I'll open a sample board called Tasks to Do, but you can use any board where you'd like to use custom fields. Next, open a card that you'd like to customize. I'm selecting a card titled Take Algebra Exams in a list called This Week. Any card will work for this process. Inside the card, look to the right side panel, where you'll see options to add features to the card. Click Add, then choose Custom Fields. This opens the Custom Fields panel for your board, which is where all fields are created and managed. If you have an old field you no longer need, you can remove it to keep your setup clean. In my example, I have a field called Priority that I don't want anymore. Click Add in the Custom Fields panel, select the Priority field to open it, and choose Delete Field. Trello will ask you to confirm by typing the field's exact name. Carefully enter the name exactly as shown. Here, that's Priority, then click Delete Field again to confirm. This permanently removes the field and its values from your cards, so only delete fields you're sure you no longer need. Now let's create our first new field. In the Custom Fields panel, click New Field to start from scratch. Name this one Morning. Under the field type selector, click Select and choose Checkbox. A checkbox is perfect for simple yes or no tracking, like whether a task is meant for the morning. You'll also see an option to show the field on the front of the card. Turn this on if you want a quick glance at whether the box is checked without opening the card. If you prefer a cleaner card face, leave it off. When you're ready, click Create to add the field. We'll repeat that process for the second field. Click New Field again, name it Afternoon, select Checkbox as the type, choose whether you want it visible on the card front, and then click Create. That's it. Both fields are now part of your board and can be used on any card. Close the Custom Fields panel to return to the card. You'll now see the new checkbox fields listed on the card. Go ahead and apply one so you can see how it looks. For example, check Morning on the Take Algebra Exams card, then close the card. Back on the board, you'll notice the custom field appears on the card face if you chose to show it on the front. Otherwise, it will appear when you open the card. Let's apply the other field on a different card so you can compare. Open another card on the same board. I'll use Buy Groceries. Inside that card, click the Afternoon checkbox to mark it. Close the card. Returning to the board, you'll now see the Afternoon field reflected on that card as well. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Use clear, consistent names for your fields so teammates immediately understand what they mean. If you need more complex data, remember there are other types available beyond checkboxes, like text, numbers, dates, and drop-downs. And because fields are board-wide, changes you make, like creating or deleting a field, apply to every card on that board, which helps keep your workflow consistent. That's all it takes to add, remove, and use custom fields on your Trello boards. With these in place, you can tailor your cards to match exactly how your team works.